Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make authentic Italian mushroom risotto. Gather and prep your ingredients. On medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add half a cup of diced onions. Saute until translucent. Season with salt and pepper. Add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute until fragrant. Then add your sliced mushrooms. Go ahead and add your spices. I used half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of hot seeds. Season again with salt and pepper. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Cook the mushrooms until the pan is almost dry. Set the mushrooms aside. In a new pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Using medium heat, add the remaining half an onion. Saute until translucent. Add half a tablespoon of minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add 2 cups of Arborio rice. Continue to cook the rice, stirring constantly. You don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. Cook the rice until it has a light beige color. Use 1 cup of dry white wine. Add a little at a time so the pan does not cool off. Out of view, I have a pot of chicken broth simmering on the side. Add 1 ladle at a time, continuously stirring. Add another ladle of chicken broth as the rice starts to dry out. Continue this process for 12 minutes, then check the rice for tenderness. It should be a little more than halfway cooked. Continue adding the chicken broth and stirring. The rice will take roughly 20 minutes to cook. Continue checking for hardness. The rice is ready when it is al dente. Add half the mushroom mixture back to the rice and give it a stir. That's good. Add 1 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Add a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Add a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.